Hi and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the Django web framework on your mobile phone. So the first thing you should do is open your Play Store, your App Store. Once you've done that, search for the app PyDroid 3. Now once you've done that, it's going to bring out this app. Now once that's brought out the app, install the app. After installing the app, we're going to move on. When it is done installing, go ahead and click open. Once click open, it's going to load the app. Then click let's start. Now, what is your Python 3 programming experience? I'm going to say experienced programmer. You can pick whichever one you want. And what are you planning to use PyDroid 3 to do? I'm going to say I'm planning to do some professional work. Again, you can go ahead and pick whatever you want in those other places. But for here, we're just going to go ahead and tick everything and hit continue. Now, what types of programs are you planning to run? We're going to hit the simple terminal or web programs and hit continue. Now, at this stage, they are showing us the premium package, but since we're not using the premium, we'll just cancel it. Now this is how the editor looks like. It's straightforward. Now if you click this icon towards the left, you can see it brings out different options. Now I want you to take note of two things: terminal and pip. Now what exactly is this terminal? If you click it, it will say we need to give it access, so we're going to say allow. We can see we have a terminal over here. We can run different commands. We can say ls, we can say cd ... and so it works. And we also have pip. Normally, if we were using our laptop to do this, we would have run the command pip install new package. But using this app, we can just navigate our way to pip and come to library name and type in whatever library we want to install. In our case, we want to install Django, so we go ahead and type Django. Now when you click done, just click install. Now this is going to install the Django library for us on our phone, and then we're going to start building this particular library. And so we have Django installed on our phone. Now the next thing we need to do is that we need to create a folder in our phone that is going to house our Django project. So I want you to click this folder icon here and click open. Click internal storage or wherever you want it to be saved. And if we scroll down, we can see that I already created a folder named Python. And if we enter that folder, I already created another one named DJ, which means Django. So we are just going to that is the folder that I am going to be working with. So since that is the folder that I'm going to be working with, let us now open it. Python DJ, and let us create a folder for this present project that we're going to be working on. We're just going to call it tutorial. And once you've done that, just hit done and create the folder. So this is tutorial folder. Now we're going to enter this tutorial folder. We can see there's nothing in there, so we're just going to go back presently. Now the next thing that we need to do is that, anytime we are starting a new Django project, there are some set of commands that we need to run. So let's navigate our way to the terminal. We do it by clicking this icon towards the left and hitting terminal. And what we need to do is that we need to cd our way, that is change directory, into where we want to work on this Django project in. So we'll just say ls to know where we are. Then we need to enter the Python folder that we created. So say cd python, and then if we say ls, we can see the DJ folder. So I'm going to say cd DJ, and then if we say ls also, we can see we have a tutorial folder. So I'm going to say cd tutorial. So great, let's clear up the screen. clear. Now if you do ls, we can see there's nothing inside this folder presently. Now as usual, anytime we want to start a new Django project, we start by doing Django-admin starts project. So I'm going to say Django-admin starts project, and let's just name it test. Starts project test. So this is going to, when we run this, it's going to create a project folder for us. Now if you say ls, we can see we have a folder named test. So let's cd into test. Now when we cd into test and we say ls, we'll notice we have a folder named test and a file named manage.py. So now we've created our project. We now need to start an app. So we'll do this by saying python manage.py start app, and let's name it what should we name it? Let's name it mobile DJ, or you can name it whatever you want. And if you press enter, this is just going to create the app folder for us. And if we say ls again, we can now see there is a folder named mobile DJ. So now we've created our project, we've started our app. We now need to run our server to make sure that everything is working. So what we're going to say is, we're going to say python manage.py, manage, python manage.py run server var. And if you do that, it's going to start running our server for us, so we can have an offline development server. So we're just going to come to our browser, which is your current browser, and then we're going to type in what we were given here, which is 127.0. So let's just come here and type it in 127.0.0.1 8000, and if we hit go, we can see congratulations, the install worked successfully. So that is how to run Django on your mobile phone. Now you can go ahead to start adding code to all of this. If we open the directory where our current project is, we'll enter DJ tutorial test. We'll start by entering test and then registering in the settings.py that we have a particular app named mobile DJ. So we'll come here and say mobile DJ. Now you can go on and continue adding code to all this. That is how to run Django on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you like seeing content like this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that like button. See you in the next video.
Where are you?